Hey, Freeds! Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am sharing my 100% honest opinion about Legacy. Legacy is a traffic service designed to deliver genuine, high-quality buyer traffic to your links on autopilot. After getting this video, I will explore its features and functionalities, pros and cons, and also explore why it's become a game changer for many online entrepreneurs and marketers. What is Legacy? Legacy represents a groundbreaking 100% automated AI, traffic and commission system designed to elevate affiliate marketing endeavors across diverse networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Digistore24, and many more. Legacy offers a comprehensive done-for-you solution and allows users to promote affiliate offers while achieving remarkable results easily and get unlimited free buyer traffic. This innovative platform leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to streamline traffic generation and commission acquisition, eliminating the complexities often associated with affiliate marketing. With Legacy, users access a seamless and efficient system that simplifies promoting various affiliate offers, ensuring maximum exposure and profitability. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just stepping into this realm, Legacy's user-friendly interface and automated functionalities pave the way for unparalleled success, allowing individuals to focus on maximizing their earnings without the usual hassles of managing traffic and campaigns. Best parts of Legacy: tap into set-and-forget automated Amazon Prime commission campaigns. Get unlimited free traffic in one click. The price goes up every 60 minutes. Our members get paid daily. With Legacy, you don't need anything else. Legacy makes us dollar without doing any selling. No monthly fees, register once an AMP, use forever. Act fast for $S in premium bonuses. Do this from your phone. Zero overhead costs, risk-free 180-day money-back guarantee. Legendary customer support. The price is rising. If you wait, you'll pay more. Yes, that's it. No other app or service is needed. Legacy does it all from A to Z, all with zero upfront cost and zero work. 2 minutes per day maximum? Yep, 2 minutes per day. No more, and it's not even complicated. You just need to follow our dead easy setup, and you are good to go. How does it work? You're now just 3 clicks away from job replacing freedom. Step 1, purchase. Grab a copy of Legacy by clicking any buy button on this page. Step 2, activate. Activate the app's AI, Amazon Prime Profit technology, from your phone, laptop, or computer in less than 60 seconds. Step 3, results. Enjoy the power of automation and AMP done-for-you campaigns. We're making up to $293.47 per day every time we activate this system. Top features of Legacy: 1. Turn Amazon Prime into a viral ATM. 2. Newbie-friendly interface. 3. Profitable templates to choose from. 4. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface. 5. Built-in AI-powered content creator. 6. Built-in AI-generated cash campaigns. 7. Amazon income potential. 8. High-ticket campaigns included. 9. App works on all popular devices. 10. All major third-party integrations supported. 11. Automated AI traffic feature built in. 12. DFY business commercial license included. 13. No monthly fees. 14. Built-in offers included. 15. Cutting-edge AI technology. 16. Push-button simple. 17. Industry-leading support as voted by our customers. 18. World-class training from a 7-figure marketer. 19. Done-for-you monetization. 20. Amazon commissions. 21. Traditional affiliate commissions. 22. No monthly costs. 23. Takes nanoseconds to activate. 24. No maintenance or setup hassles. 25. Self-updating app. 26. Everything you need is included. Why you get Legacy? We primarily use the app to focus on generating commissions from both Amazon products and AMP, high-ticket affiliate offers. This loophole opens the floodgates of unlimited clicks to any link we want. You get everything you need to clone our $293, 47-day to use Legacy. Here, some of awesome benefits of Legacy. Brand new Legacy AI app. Use the app from any device on any platform, mobile, laptop, desktop, Windows, Mac. We call it income without borders. Done for you. AI campaigns. You will also get our DFY AI campaigns that pays us $293.47 a day in recurring income. Legacy AI automation. No need to do any work whatsoever. Just let Legacy take care of it all on autopilot. 100% free buyer traffic built in. The Legacy system comes loaded with built-in traffic, so you can be up and amp running fast Legacy built-in monetization. Legacy uses AI to monetize the $1.90 billion Amazon loophole for multiple ongoing revenue streams. World-class training. We back your success with the best training in the industry. See why customers rate our training #1. Online success, or you get private coaching. If you don't get the results you need with Legacy, we'll personally coach you for up to 6 weeks. Plus, refund your purchase. Legacy World Class. VIP customer support. Their US-based experts are ready and happy to help you 24/7, ensuring you get the best possible results. Grab Legacy. AI Now and AMP. You also get these. Free bonuses worth $1,000S. Bonus 1. $997 daily zero-cost auto bot. Swipe the exact same method we've used to generate an average of $997 a day every single day for the past 12 months. It's yours absolutely free. Bonus 2. $300 per day auto affiliate check. Activate the same system we use to get multiple $300 commissions daily. Works perfectly with the system you're buying today. Again, 100% for free. Bonus 3. 0 to $1K in 7 days. You're invited to the private live online event where we'll reveal how we make $1,000 inside the next few days. We expect a full house, so turn up early. Bonus 4. First sale in 60 minutes. This unique loophole let us make our first sale in 60 minutes without a list, paid traffic, or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to you inside. Is 60 minutes fast enough for you? Bonus 5. Commercial license. You'll also get commercial license, so you can sell the AI automated chatbots to others. For $500, $1,000 over an amp, over. Hey friends, are you a business owner, affiliate marketer, YouTube content creator, make money online blogger and podcasters, founders, CEO, CMO and founders, e-com and amp, Shopify store owners, social media marketers and coaches, mentors, or gurus? Do you want to million traffic on your website? And you also want to succeed in life? Always stay with us. Thanks for watching.